Hi all, it's Bill here again. This is the first official flight of my DJI Air 2S that Mrs. Claus got me for Christmas. This was shot at 4K 30 on auto. I wanted to try and get a good feel for it before relying on it too much, but in normal DJI fashion it handled really well and I didn't have any problems at all. This was the first clear morning we had had for a while, so we went out to Dora Creek. Dora Creek is a small fishing village on the New South Wales Central Coast, where the creek runs into Lake Macquarie. The interesting geological thing about Dora Creek is that the banks of the creek have formed into two peninsulas jutting out into the lake like a point. The creek is literally in a lake. The sediment deposited by the creek has not formed a large floodplain or river delta as it would normally do, but has left behind two banks. The erosion caused by the lake's waves is not enough to erode away the clay sediments that deposit on the banks of the creek. For that reason, the banks of the creek have grown due to flooding and appear now as 2 points with a creek inside. Anyway, I hope you enjoy, and if you have any comments or questions, leave them below.